This video is brought to you by Kaiser Knives. What's up everyone, Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, out on a beautiful New Hampshire morning. It's gonna get hot in a little bit, but before it does, we're gonna test out this, which is the Lifesaver Liberty water bottle. So I got this from them for review. Other people have been testing it out and reviewing it. I'm intrigued because I'm always looking for ways to do more with less gear. I'm always interested in multi-use items. So this gives you the option not just to throw water in it and then drink it, but to fill it, to pump it, to drink it, to siphon it, to pump, to store it. So there's just lots of options built into this water bottle. One thing about water bottle tests and purification items like a Life Straw or something like that is that unless you know there's something that's going to get you sick in the water, there's no way to 100% test and say, I know this has Giardia, I drank it, I didn't get Giardia, so I'm good. But let me just tell you, in general, when I do tests like this, I test water that I wouldn't drink out of naturally. So this river behind me, I wouldn't just go get a cup of water and take a swig of this without having it purified or cleaned in some way. And so yeah, we're gonna give this guy a shot. We'll show you the way it works. We'll test it out. I'll give myself probably 7 to 10 days, see if I feel any sickness or any issues. If I do, that's gonna be ugly for me, but good for video, I guess. Yeah, so let's talk about the product and then we'll test it out and then come back in a little less than 2 weeks and see how I'm feeling. All right, a couple things to let you know about. We've changed location because some other people came to fish where I was before. Actually, this new stream I'm at is even grosser, so that's gonna be good to test out the water bottle and filter. Number two is it's, I just checked the temperature, it's like 750,000 degrees here in New Hampshire. Realistically, it's like in the high to mid 90s and it's high humidity, so it's just gross. I'm like, you could see, I'm just sweating, so all the more important to be hydrated. Number three is I unboxed everything. Here's your tube that comes in this little bag. Here's the water bottle, and then here's your instructions. What I'm about to tell you is really important. You have to prime the water bottle slash filter before you go into the woods. You have to use clean water to do it. If you go into the woods and think, I got this new water filter, it's gonna be great, and it's not primed, you're gonna be using dirty water to prime it, which is not good. Here's what you need to do. You need to take the end cap off. Let me put the stuff down here. Take the end cap off like this. Pour in clean water. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you have to dump it out. I first said pump it out, but you actually have to dump it out the first time. Open it again, fill it with clean water, pump it out. Open it up again, fill it with clean water, pump it out. So you're gonna do that 3 times total. The first time you wait 5 minutes, the next 2 times you just put it in and clean it out. Now it's primed and ready to go. That's really important because if you just get this heading to the woods, you're not gonna be using it in the way it should be and you can get yourself sick. So that is really, really, really vital that you know that as you use this bottle. So now that I've primed it, now that it's really hot outside, I'm gonna go down to the water, fill it up, and we'll consume some water. And then, like I said, we'll pour it in about a week or 2 and let you know how I'm feeling and what I think about the product. Here's a look at our stream. As you can see, it's barely moving. Pretty gross. All right, 2 different methods for using the filter slash water bottle. First, make sure that your cap is nice and snug so nothing gets contaminated in there. So this is as the bottle mode. You're gonna take your filter out, scoop water in here to about 1/2 inch from the top without falling in. All right, then you're gonna replace the filter. Close it down. Wipe my hand off here. Pump it a couple times. And then we're gonna open this up. And then start the flow and water will start to come out. So I'm just gonna take a drink of this. All right, so that's that. All right, so that's method number 1. I'm gonna close this up again here. One of the cool things is that you have to stop the flow with that little white turn, I guess, knob, and then you can close this. If you don't have that turned, you can't close it. So just kind of a cool feature. In order to make sure this is closed, it won't be flowing inside the cap, making a mess, pressurizing, anything like that. So that's method 1. All right, So you can take your hose. There's a little valve here, like a little kind of nozzle on the bottom. You're going to put this over the nozzle. You're going to toss this into the water. There's a float, so you can keep it off the bottom of your water source. But toss it in, and then you can start pumping here. And you can actually hear it as it's sucking the water in. I'm going to take off the cap now and open this up, and you can get as much water as you want. You can fill a water bottle, you can drink it directly, whatever you want here. So I'm going to drink it. Tastes good. I mean, both the direct, scooping it and the line in both taste good. So that's basically the function of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to take this out and keep that away from the spout down there. Pump this to get the extra water out. And then I can close it up and I'll be done. All right, guys, back here to talk about this bottle from Lifesaver. It's the Liberty bottle. I don't have anything to report, so I'm doing fine. No major issues, no stomach issues, no sickness, no nothing. So again, I can't guarantee there was anything disgusting in that water that would make me sick, but I'm happy with how it filtered. At this point, I could say confidently that it got anything nasty out of there because I didn't get sick. Now, that being said, who is this bottle for? I think if you're looking for like a kind of last ditch, super lightweight, just in case I run out of water filter, I would go with like a Sawyer filter or a Life Straw. I just think they're easier, going to be less expensive. If you're looking for something that can filter water, carry a little bit of water, and also really not just filter water like in a quick moment, but like you're going on a camping trip, you want something that you're going to be regularly filtering water with, this could be the option that you go for. So I started using one of the Catadine filters a long time ago. I mean, probably 15, 20 years ago, carrying one of those while hiking. This thing is more compact. It's going to work efficiently. You can replace the filter when it gets nasty, and it's not working. Bottom line is when you're pumping and nothing's coming out, it means that the filter is so basically contaminated. It's cleaned out so much junk that it's time to swap out and to get a new filter. Now, all that being said, it worked, it does the job, but I just think that this is much more for somebody who is going to be camping and needs a filter, as opposed to somebody who is like, I just need something in case I run out of water and it's an emergency situation. I think a Sawyer filter, Life Straw, that's just a lot easier to use, less expensive, smaller, more lightweight. This is definitely more for kind of longer term use when you're out in the woods. When I have gone camping and I got to filter water regularly, it is nice to have something you can just pull out, pop it into the water, scoop it up, and then pump it to filter it. Or if I'm filtering it for a meal, to boil some water, a meal to just warm up a little bit of water for like hot chocolate after, that type of thing. So having something like this would definitely be a win. This is my first interaction with products from Lifesaver. So yeah, I'll be interested to check out more of their stuff in the future. I'm just looking in the window. I don't know if you could see it there, but yeah. Lots of nasties in the filter, but that's why it's there. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. If you've used one of these, what you thought about it, why you liked it, what you would change, those types of things, and I'll pass the information back onto their marketing, research department, just to let them know what our experience is. I believe these guys are based over in the UK. So yeah, just want to let you know about that. And again, once again, we've been looking at the Liberty water filter water bottle made by Lifesaver. So yeah, I'll see your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. Thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.